how to become land developer without investing money or by investing a very small amount of money. You heard it right. In this video, I'll tell you the entire process of becoming or starting a business of real estate land developer with very less investment or almost no investment. How is it this possible? I'll tell you in this video step by step process to achieve this. So watch this video till the end, then and only then you'll get all the detailed information. I am Dr. Amol Mourya, real estate coach, real estate trainer, real estate author and entrepreneur. In my last 15 to 16 years of experience of practically working with so many CEOs, with so many clients, we'll be bringing this kind of content for you. For my PhD on consumer buying behavior in real estate, we have done a research on more than 2,000 customers, 200 employees, and 50 plus real estate CEOs. For our book, Real Estate Game Changers, we have interviewed more than 55 plus real estate CEOs, and we have asked various research-based questions to them. And through that, we were coming up with this kind of practical topics that can help you to grow your real estate business, to enhance your business. If you feel that you need our team support for growing your business, you can contact on our numbers. And I request you to subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon. We don't want you to miss even a single important video. So the first step that can help you to grow your real estate business, to become a real estate developer with less investment or with no investment, is search for 3 to 4 land proposal with JV offer at good condition. In your market, in your surrounding, wherever you are working, you have to look for 3 to 4 good joint venture proposal, and you have to contact the owner of that land, and you have to understand that what kind of JV proposal he want to give, so that either you can contact one of your financer or one of your investor, or you can take an interest in that JV proposal. With the help of that JV proposal, you can start your real estate journey. But point number 2, 3, 4 and 5 are very important. Understand the process in detail. Second, select best one with best offer. The moment you had a talk with the owner of that current JV proposal, the owner of that land, understand which proposal is best and in which proposal you can give your services as well, and you have to invest less. You have to understand this. Third, discuss the clear offer expectation and time period. Now, if suppose someone have given you an offer that he is looking for a joint venture proposal where he needs only 50 lakh rupees in starting or 1 crore rupees, and he needs 30% partnership in the project, then in that case, here the skill comes into play. If suppose you have an experience of selling, if you have an experience of marketing real estate project, then you can leverage the skills. You can tell them that yes, I have the potential to take advanced bookings, I have the potential to sell this project, so instead of 1 crore, I'll only give you 50 lakhs. Or you can take one more partner who is ready to invest 50 lakhs. One is now the landowner, other is ready to invest 50 lakh, and now you can assure both of them that with the help of 10 to 15 members team what I have, with the help of the track record what I have of selling real estate products, I can generate a good amount in starting of the project by the name of pre-launches, soft launches, and by launching the project at the right cost, so that investors, the early investors, retail investors in your project can get the benefit. Fourth thing you have to consider is take development and selling rights authority. Now, ask them that you will take all the development and selling rights. Now, whatever development is required, you and the other financial partner, what you have put in, he'll invest the money. The landowner didn't have to invest even a single rupees now. So you are into a joint venture partnership, or you can convince the landowner to take the final product as well. Like we have done this kind of JVs as well, where the landowner is not asking for a single rupee, he's asking for 1 flat or 2 flat instead of the plot he's providing for a joint venture proposal. So even this kind of proposal you can get in your city, where a landowner is looking for 2 flats instead of the plots he's having. Suppose 2,500 to 3,000 square feet of plot he's having in a particular any city. Then he's asking for 2 flats. Then in that case, you don't have to pay, you just have to sell the product, you just have to take sanctioning, and you just have to start selling. Now, but the main work is selling, branding, marketing, bringing money. If you can bring money, you can become a partner. See, partner is a partner, even if you are a partner for 20%, 30% in an entire product, or 15%, that is okay. Because why the other person will give you partnership? Because you are the one who is doing all this. You are the one who have channelized the deal. You are the one who have put in the investor. You are the one who have brought a plot owner. So you are playing a very important role, and now you are the one who will sell. You and your team will sell, you and your team will market it. So by investing a very less amount, just by knowing the strategy, just by doing a smart work, you can start your own project and you can become a developer. Fifth is start sanctioning development and selling. Now, the most important work what you have to do is start the process of sanctioning of that land as early as possible. Start development so people will have trust. For development, for sanctioning, you need money, no doubt. But if you are a very good marketing agency owner, if you are a very good salesperson in the real estate market, and if you have the trust and the credibility, and if people are ready to invest in your project because you are giving a very good product, because you are suggesting a good product, because you have given a very good return on investment in your last project, in that case, doing this joint venture proposal without investing money or by investing a very less amount is possible. Then the final thing is selling. If you can sell the project at a stipulated time, you can generate money from different retail buyers and you can utilize that money to build the product. Friends, we know so many people, those who have done this kind of things. We know so many people, those who have made a very big organization by starting this kind of ventures. Follow these steps, follow the techniques. You can get results in the real estate industry like never before. Thank you so much for following our channel. Thank you so much for liking our videos. Do like our videos. We'll get energy, inspiration and motivation to make more valuable content like this. Thank you so much for making our book Real Estate Game Changer national bestseller. If you want us to make video on some other topic in real estate, do comment so that we'll prepare for those videos in the next upcoming batch or next upcoming series of videos. Thank you so much. We'll meet you in the next video.